Dwayne here, Phoenix, Typewriter. Today I'm starting on a Hermes rocket. We're going to pretty much do a recondition job or a rebuild or whatever you want to call it. Rework. It's just dirty, nothing directly broken. Rework that cover a little bit here so it lays a little flatter like this one. It wouldn't lay down, but it does now pretty good. But on the machine itself, we're going to look at the ribbon drive on this video, because it looks like this side, this spool here, let me move the reverse, okay, this spool should spin pretty free, and it's stiff. It's stiff, and it's not this piece here. This is a little drag piece. If I lift it, it's still stiff. It's not touching that piece, so it's just stiff, whereas this side is, with the reverse, spinning much freer. So that side's sticky, plus the ribbon reverse itself right here where it goes back and forth it feels stiff. These levers should move pretty easily and they're really stiff. So I'm going to flush that out to start with and see if we can solve, get rid of this issue to begin with. So first thing I'm going to do here is just flush it with degreaser. My degreaser of choice, of course, lacquer thinner. So we're just going to run it underneath here where the shaft is, maybe down. Already feels better. It's already spinning free again. So let's see about this mechanism here. I'm going to flush this out of here. Just going to flush everything that looks like it's a moving part here. Tilt it up on the side and see what's happening here, or something. I can get a better view of this. Let's see what's going on under here. Yeah, I'm going to get some from the other side here. This is already feeling better. Let me look underneath here, see what this looks like. Not a whole lot under here, but I'll continue to soak it here. It's feeling a little stiff still. I'm going to get my air hose off the camera mount here. Alright. Roll that out a little bit. And same thing with this. And I'm going to actually reflush it a little bit. I like to do this a couple times to make sure everything is out of it I want out of there. And I'm going to hit it with some this stuff here. Just a little bit. Blow off the excess of this. Flip it up and hit it from the air on this side. Alright, let's try this side. We'll start under here. Just hit it with the degreaser. I'm going to hit it with some air. Just a bit. This side didn't seem as bad. push it one more time just for fun. Looks like there's a spring missing over here. I didn't blow it off. It's right here. There's a hole here and a hole here, so it looks like it needs a spring. Yeah, according to the other side, it's got a spring missing right here. That's okay. I can add that spring on there, no trouble. Let's do a little from the bottom. And we'll hit it with the air. Hit this with the air. Alright. We're good there. So, yeah, that's nice. So yeah, it's definitely missing a spring similar to this one right there. It's just a little guy. Not much tension on that. And I know I didn't blow it off because I don't think it was there. So let's find one. Let's do this with the spring. We'll finish the whole job. So I'm going to look for a small spring in here that will be appropriate. And that's a pretty small spring, maybe this one here. I don't think that's long enough. It's definitely lightweight enough, but well, usually you don't run across not having a spring strong enough. Okay, that one looks pretty light. Let me scoot this stuff aside, and we will use this spring here. I've got to shorten this a little bit, so we'll just do that real quick. Start right about here. Just like that. Just like that. We got a spring. Put them on. And then we'll get this guy fixed up. Alright, one side on. Springs can be a challenge. There we go. 3 spring hooks and it's done. Almost feels a little too strong still. I'm going to do something here. I want to stretch it a little bit. Just so it doesn't have quite as much tension. I'm just going to give it a little tug here. The other side is a lot less tension. Do some more stretching of it right there. Okay. Alright, so that seems alright. Let's try this back and forth here. Yeah, that does seem better. Okay, this side's free too now. So when it's on that mode, this spins a lot better. Alright, that's a flush the ribbon drive, ribbon spools on a Hermes. The rest of this machine needs a bit of cleaning too. It's a little dirty. And the segment's sticking, so I'll be working on that shortly here. So these keys are sticking on it. Right there. Pretty stiff. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter. If you know what that means, somebody wrote that in there, some other mechanic or something. That was underneath the covers. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.